So I'm now recording a demonstration of the use of Room 3D with its latest functionality and making a recording within Zoom. So what the recording should show will be what the participants in Zoom will see. So if I go now back to this studio that I've set up within Room 3D, I can use different buttons to show different camera angles. So I'm just going through the camera angles that I've pre-set up to show what the studio looks like. You can set up different camera angles, but you can also in real time adjust the view whilst you're watching it. So now that I'm in the studio, and I can go back to full screen if I want to, but I'll go back to this view and show some of the screen sharing options. So I'm going to switch from sharing my Zoom screen in Room 3D to showing an application. And this particular application is designed for nurses. It's a fall awareness quiz. And so I'm actually going to just show how the fall awareness quiz, this shows you what the room layout is based on a real 360-degree photographs of a room in Portugal. And the way the quiz works is that it allows you to navigate around this room looking for clues and looking for questions that you can answer. So for example, I'm going to go and have a look at, I'm going to zoom in here, and it asks me which of the following is the safest shoe wear. So I'm going to choose a covered shoe and say OK, and that shows me that that is the correct answer. Whilst I'm doing this sharing, I'm going to flip back and have a look at a different camera view within Room 3D. So now the Zoom participants should be seeing this full screen picture of the apartment. And as I rotate now, I can go into a different room, which in this case will be the kitchen. I click on the kitchen door and I'm in the kitchen. There'll be some questions there. So rather than go through a demonstration of this quiz in 360 degrees, I'm going to switch back to show the screen sharing of a different application. And this time it's a PowerPoint application. This shows on Room 3D, but it also shows, because of the way that I set the camera up in Room 3D, it's also showing full screen in Room 3D, but I can switch back to the different views in Room 3D, full screen, now different studio views. So it's very, very flexible. If I go back now to my PowerPoint presentation and escape from that, you'll see that I've escaped from it. And it allows me now to just flip and go back to my Zoom screen, which shows in Room 3D. And this is what should also be being recorded within Zoom. So hopefully that demonstration gives you some idea of the flexibility and potential of doing immersive presentations to Zoom audiences using this new functionality, which is available in all of the rooms, but the particular room that I've chosen is the TV studio option. So I'm now going to stop recording in the cloud.